right, guys, we are rounding out our top 5 favorite things about RM28 with our #1 favorite thing about this car. And that's also my favorite thing about my job, and that is that this car is going to be going home with one of you.
Unreal.
The fact that someone can just win this incredible drivable work of art along with $50,000 in cash absolutely blows my mind. And it could be you, but you got to have those entries. You can claim them at RestoMods.com. Pick up anything in our online store, hat, t-shirt, car care products, anything you buy gets you entered to win this incredible car along with $50,000 in cash. We've given away 27 dream cars. We've been doing this since 2017, making people's dreams come true. They were just like you watching a video just like this. They got to take home their dream Mustang, Camaro, Chevelle. We've had winners from all over the country and even a winner from Canada. That's right, if you're in Canada, you can get entered to win unless you live in Quebec, in which case, I'm sorry. If you want to be our next winner, you've got to claim those entries before it's too late, and someone is going to be starting off their 2025 with this incredible HEMI Cuda and $50,000 in cash. I want to be handing you these keys, flying you to San Diego to pick up your dream car. Get in it to win it, and good luck.